Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works and review content. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support, and I mean that sincerely. So in this video, I would like to give you my review for Bath and Body Works new fragrance, Denim Daisies, Summer Collection 2021. And so far, so good. I'm loving the new scents. The last collection that came out, the tropical one for the spring, I wasn't in love with that one. But this one, I think is a lot more unique rather than just fruity, floral. I think that the new releases are a little bit more unique, and I like that. So, without further ado, so I have the body cream and the fine fragrance mist. The body cream retails for $14.50 and the fine fragrance mist retails for $15.50. Prices are just inching up, right guys? So here's the packaging. A blue top, blue and white like denim. Very cute. And here is the fine fragrance mist. And I like the white label. It looks just really clean and fresh or something. And then if you notice, the top actually has glittery speckles in it. That's an added detail that I love because I love anything with sparkles. I'm like a bird, like anything shiny. Yes, I want it for sure. So, Denim Daisies. Just gonna rub a little bit on here. I really like this one. I was actually really excited for this one. So let me read you the scent description. Sweet daisies, sun-washed denim, and summer citrus. Ready, set, summer. Enjoy the warmth of carefree days wandering through fields of sun-drenched flowers. And I would agree with that scent description, you guys. So you definitely get like this like very clean, fresh cotton, like some jeans that just came out of the dryer, you know what I mean? And then you get the daisies, like this beautiful floral with a splash of citrus. It's a really, really lovely combination. Now, what I will say for this one is it did not last as long as the others. Okay? After a couple of hours, it really started to fade. And yeah, so I mean, when you first spray it on, it's like really strong. Like you really think like it reminds me of a perfume almost, because it's so, I guess the notes in it are so noticeable and bright, and it just really projects when you first apply it. But as it wore, it really faded rather quickly. Definitely not as strong of a performer on me as the berry waffle cone and firecracker pop, but it's really pretty. It's really pretty. Now, after the first hour, when it really settled, I got less of the cotton, and I got a really like the daisies and lemon. So it dies down into like a really like soft lemony floral. It's really pretty. So I'm definitely not disappointed in this one. I just wish that it had lasted longer. You know what I mean? Like really more than just a couple of hours. But I mean, fine fragrance mist, I mean, it's kind of implied that you have to keep remisting yourself. But I really like this one. I love the cotton, I love the floral, and I love that really bright splash of citrus. So yeah, this would definitely be a repurchase for me, for sure. I mean, who doesn't want to smell like cotton and flowers? And I do. But comment and let me know what you guys think, if you've smelled it. And if it lasted on you. Because I mean, I know everybody's body chemistry is different, or maybe, you know, your nose can pick up certain notes more than others. So I mean, you know, everybody can be different. But for me, the performance wasn't that strong. But I like the fragrance, so I wouldn't mind repurchasing and reapplying. You know what I mean? So that's my review. So please like and subscribe if you found this content helpful. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.